friends, how's your quarantine days? I hope and I pray that everyone is well. By the way, my name is Laguna. You can call me Ma'am MJ for short. I'll make sure that you will learn from me even when you are in the comfort of your home. So, are you ready to listen? Now let's start. We have here word hot and dog. Different words, different meaning. If we combine these two words, it will become hot dog. In English, we call it compound word. It is formed when two words are combined to make a new word. We can also use this concept in math. How? Let's see. Our topic for today is about factoring by common monomials and groupings. First, let's define factoring. So, factoring is a number that evenly divides a larger number. Finding what to multiply together to get an expression. It's like splitting an expression into a multiplication of simpler expression. Example, factors for 6 is 1 and 6 because when we multiply 1 to 6, it equals to 6. Or 2 and 3. If we multiply 2 to 3, it is equal to 6. Monomial is the greatest common monomial factor of a polynomial. Why? It is whose numerical coefficient is the larger number that divides the term of the polynomial, and whose literal coefficient is the highest power of the variable that is a factor of the terms of the polynomial. Just to recall, polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of constant and variables raised to whole number exponents. To find GCF, or greatest common factors, or also known as GCMF, which is greatest common monomial factors, we have here example. Let's find the GCF of 8x raised to 5 and 2x raised to 3. Think about the numbers that if you multiply it will equal to 8. So we have 2 and 4. But instead using 4, we will write it as 2 times 2 times 2. Why? Because all we need to do is to find prime numbers or to use prime numbers. So 4 is not a prime numbers, so that we will use 2. So for x raised to 5, we have x, 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 x. So 5x. Next, for 2x raised to 3, we have 1 and 2 because 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So we have 3 x's. For the next step, identify the common factors, which is 2 and x and another x. So we have the GCF of 2x squared. Another example. We have here 3 cubed b squared, a squared, b raised to 5, a raised to 4, and b raised to 7. So same procedure. Think about the numbers that if you multiply it, it will equal to a cubed b squared. So we have 3a and 2b. And we have another 2a and 5b. And for the third term, we have 4a and 7b. Now, for the next step, identify the common factors, which are a, b, b. So our GCF for this example is a squared, b squared. Now let's try to factor a polynomial. For example number 1, factor x squared minus 24x. So first step, find the GCF. For the solution, x squared and negative 24x. So let's find the common factors of these two terms. So we have x as the GCF. Next, copy the GCF, then divide it to the given. So just copy the given polynomial, which is x squared minus 24x, Then copy GCF. Let's divide. So x divided by x squared is equal to x. Law of exponents. So if we divide a variable having an exponent, we just subtract the exponent. So we have x. Next term, x divided by negative 4x. So we have negative 24. So our factor for this polynomial is x times the quantity of x minus 24. So another example, factor 4x cubed y squared minus 2x squared y cubed plus 6x squared y squared. So first step, find the GCF. So here's the solution. Let's find the common factor of these three terms. So we have 2x, x, y, y. So we have our GCF for this polynomial, which is 2x squared y squared. So let's copy and divide it to our given. 2x squared y squared divided by 4x cubed y squared. So we have 2x. Next is 2x squared y squared divided by negative 2x squared y cubed. So we have negative y. Next, 2x squared y squared divided by 6x squared y squared. So we have plus 3. So our factors for polynomial 4x cubed y squared minus 2x squared y cubed plus 6x squared y squared is 2x squared y squared times the quantity of 2x minus y plus 3. So that's our topic for today. I hope you learned something from me. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.